You've been knocked down, ghosted, fired, rejected, and somehow you're supposed to keep going. The Stoics, men who lived over 2,000 years ago, faced war, exile, betrayal, even death, and remained calm. Today, I'll share 5 Stoic lessons that helped me stop overthinking, stop reacting, and start living with peace, no matter what life throws at me. Epictetus said, "You are disturbed not by things, but by your opinion of things." We think we own people's love, jobs, our routines. But the Stoics remind us we own nothing but our response. When I stopped expecting life to go my way and focused on what I could control, the anxiety started fading. Seneca practiced negative visualization. He imagined losing his home, his wealth, even his loved ones, not to be cold, but to be ready. When life shocks you, a breakup, a layoff, it hurts less if you've already rehearsed it in your mind. Sounds dark? No. It's called emotional armor. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Complaining is easy. But the Stoics believed every obstacle is a lesson. Now, when I'm stuck, I ask, what's this trying to teach me? That mindset alone changed how I handle failure. We're sold a lie. More stuff is equals to more happiness. But Epictetus said, freedom is not achieved by satisfying desire, but by eliminating it. The moment I stopped chasing status, likes, or validation, I started breathing. Calm isn't a luxury, it's a decision. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The world can rage, people can betray you, but your thoughts, your response, that's your kingdom. And that, to me, is how you become unshakable. If any of these Stoic truths hit you today, let me know in the comments. Which one do you want to start living by? I'll be posting more Stoic videos every week to help you build peace in a chaotic world. Like, share, and subscribe. Not for my ego, but because maybe someone you know needs Stoicism more than you realize.